eat Maggi.
So now we are having Maggi.
Yes.
Okay.
Maggi is something that I know like at least 10 variations of Maggi.
You know 10 variations.
Yes.
Maggi lo 10 variations unnaya?
I make cheese Maggi. I make.
Okay. యాక్చువల్గా మాకు తెలిసిన మ్యాగీస్ ఏంటంటే మ్యాగీ దొరికినప్పుడేమో మ్యాగీ అనడం మ్యాగీ
And I have not had Maggi from so long because of my dieting. Yum, thanks to you that I can have Maggi today a little bit.
ఓకే, నా రాకతో ఆమె మ్యాగీ తింటున్నారు. మీ పొలంలో మొలకలు వచ్చాయి కాదు, మీ డైట్లో మ్యాగీ వచ్చింది. ఎలా ఉంది?
Please block my trainer up from this channel. Block him so he's not seeing.
So, Apsara,
Yes.
Why did you get that thought that you want to become an actress? Why?
Because as I said, since childhood I have always, seen these actresses Madhubala and Sridevi and Rekha, Madhuri Dixit. So since childhood I wanted to be like them, and when I was very small, when I didn't know being an actress is a difficult thing, I used to tell my parents that ek din na main bhi aise TV mein na aise like them, I'll dance and I will also look so beautiful, and so I wanted to become one. But when I grew old I thought ki ye sirf lagta aasan hai, it is not easy. So I was in a dilemma ki kya karna hai life mein, kya karna hai. So I was doing engineering, तो तब लगा कि I can do it, so I got a chance and I'm here.
Okay, so actually Apsara, what the thing is, who is your first crush?
First crush, Rajesh Khanna.
Okay, నా ఫస్ట్ క్రష్ నాని. ఏంటండి ఆన్సర్లు? We want something hot, crispy.
Okay, the recent heroes, so first crush will always be Rajesh Khanna because I've seen his songs with these actresses since childhood and I wanted to marry him. When I used to see him on screen, I'm like, मुझे इससे शादी करनी है. When I was a kid, but later when I grew up, I understood he's very old and I'm very young. I cannot marry him. He's already married.
చాలా పెద్ద అయిన తర్వాత తెలుసుకునే ఆ విషయం ఏంటంటే రాజేష్ ఖన్నా 10 years నాకన్నా పెద్దవాళ్ళు, సో పెళ్లి చేసుకోలేను అని. సో డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ థాట్ లైక్ I wanna marry Rajesh Khanna? Do you have that kind of expectation from him?
No, but see, when I grew older, when I understood he is very old and I'm very young, by the time I grow old, he will become very old. So when I realized, I was disappointed. I might not get my Rajesh Khanna in life, but but not him, but koi to Rajesh Khanna jaisa mil jayega mujhe.
Okay, did you ever see a person like a Rajesh Khanna?
Not really, but no, not really. Nobody is like him. He's so unique. His smile is so good. Like I don't know. I cannot compare anybody with him.
Okay. So why do you carry pepper spray? Like, do you have any weird experience with that guy or some?
Yeah. I had this scary incident that happened in my college days. So I was alone on my bike and there were 4 guys who were following me. They were like old, 28, 30-year-old guys and like really strong guys. So I was following and I had the house key. So if I open my house and I go alone, because my mom and dad were at work, and if I go alone, means I thought they might come or attack me, and they were following me from 15 kilometers.
Okay, 15 kilometers నుంచి మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు. The guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they were following me. So what I did is I didn't go home. I was just riding my bike. I didn't know where to go, and I thought agar main ghar chali gayi, they might attack me or something. They might try to open the door and come.
Okay.
So I was so scared that day, and that is why we have some men in the society who are not good. So you should always keep a pepper spray, make them blind for 3 hours, and they'll get their lesson.
ఒక్కసారి పెప్పర్ స్ప్రే కొడితే 3 గంటలు అలా పడి ఉంటారంటే.
Yeah, someone can become blind for 3 hours, and I think that's a good lesson for anybody who tries to hurt me. I can hurt them back, Yes.
ఎప్పుడైనా లెక్క పెట్టారా ఎన్ని ప్రపోజల్స్ వచ్చుంటాయని?
Means I got any proposals?
Proposals?
No, not even one. Yeah, someone like Instagram, like I don't know these people, and they're like, "You're so beautiful, we love you," and things like. But not a serious proposal. No.
ఓకే
It's been so many years since I left college. I got no proposals.
ఓకే సో వెన్ మీరు యాక్ట్రెస్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నప్పుడు వెన్ యూ వాంట్ బికమ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ డిడ్ ఎవర్ యువర్ మేట్స్ ఆర్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ డిడ్ ఎనీవన్ బిలీవ్ యూ లైక్ యూ వాంట్ బికమ్ యాక్ట్రెస్ హౌ అండ్ వై ఆర్ ఎల్స్ దే టోల్డ్ you are a heroine, you are
So when I did modeling now, when I won this pageants, some of my friends who were my very close friends, they they stopped talking to me after I won the pageants. I lost a lot of friends in following my dreams. So I think whenever I succeed or something, or when I do good, my friends they go away from my life. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've experienced that, but that's why I don't know if friendship is true or it is just based on requirements. Someone's good for me right now, I'm a friend, but when they turn to be not good, then friendship. So friends, I don't know. I have less friends in my life, and because even in school I used to be bullied. I used to be the one who nobody used to play with. I used to be that girl who used to sit alone in the bench. And
ఎందుకు మిమ్మల్ని ఒంటరిగా వదిలేసారు? యాక్చువల్గా అబ్బాయిలు ఎప్పుడు అందమైన అమ్మాయిల వెనక తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారని టాక్.
Because I think my focus moreover is with people. So I have this goal, okay? So whoever fits in my life for me to achieve that goal can be in my life. Who is pulling me away from my goals? I think having those kind of people will affect my life and it's of no use.
Okay.
Yeah. So anybody who doesn't support me doing my work, I will also support people. So I always believe, and I have friends who call me for suggestions and things like that. So I'm always there for them. But when I need someone, they're always pulling back. So I think having people, you should have very less people in life, because not everybody will spread positivity. Some people try to
నెగిటివ్ వైబ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఎస్ సో చాలా తెలివైన అమ్మాయి. ఎంత తెలివైన అమ్మాయి అంటే ఆమె గోల్ నుంచి ఆమె డైవర్ట్ చేయాలనుకున్నా, ఆమెను కిందకు లాగడానికి ప్రయత్నించినా సరే అస్సలు ఊరుకునేది కాదు. జస్ట్ గెట్ లాస్ట్ అనేవాళ్ళు, అంతేనా? అబ్జా, ఇట్స్ హాట్, మ్యాగీ ఇస్ హాట్.
Maggie is done. Maggie is already.
నేను ఐఎమ్ దేర్ నో. Actually,
Yes.
I like cooking Maggie.
Because cooking Maggie is very easy. I can cook almost everything. Wow, I'm so excited. I get to eat Maggie today. Yes. Please don't tell my trainer.
What your trainer will say?
It make me do more extra workout to burn the Maggie.
అంత పని జరిగిందా? సరే, ఈ విషయం మీ దగ్గర నా దగ్గర ఉంచేద్దాం. యాక్చువల్గా మా ఆఫీస్ వాళ్ళు కూడా నన్ను కొంచెం స్లిమ్ నవ్వు, అడ్డమైన గడ్డి తినకు అంటూ ఉన్నారు. I said Maggie is not gaddi, Maggie is Maggie, I will eat that.
Yeah, Maggie is I think every Indian kid's favorite food, and my mom used to scold me, "Nahi Maggie nahi ye khana khao," but I have always loved eating Maggie, and I'm so excited I'm getting to eat today.
So tada.
Yes. You want less? Give me that one.
Okay, I want more.
Yeah, you can have more.
Yeah.
Why are you sitting here? You're always lazy. Get up, let's go.
Lazy?
Yeah, come, let's go.